Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but let completely honest, finding perfect changes everything. This viral item is literally everywhere right now. I was a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that engineering behind it is brilliant, I was completely sold. It is shockingly good at what it does because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it solves an annoying problem. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade before it sells out everywhere. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but completely honest, finding perfect changes everything. This viral item is literally everywhere right now.